Hello friends, today we will discuss about these two problems. These two problems are based on delta to star or stars to delta transformation. In previous two class we have already discussed about how to transform delta formation to star formation and star formation to delta formation. So let's start how to solve these two problems. So here the problem number 1. Problem number 1, this is a delta formation. Okay, so you have to transform into a star formation or T formation. Okay, so here is this is 16, this is 24, this is also 24. So you have to calculate R1, R2 and R3. So how to calculate this? So R1, R2 and R3. This is R1, this is R1. So you have to calculate R1. So in that formula we have reduced in this way that multiplying this formula, this resistance divided by sum of these three resistance. Okay, this is node 1. So if I take this node in this way, this is node 1. This node resistance are, this one is 24, this one is 16. So what will be the R? This is node 1. So what will be the R1? R1 will be the product of these two resistance divided by the summation of these three resistance. Okay, so it will be product of these two. So 16 multiplied by 24. 16 multiplied by 24 and sum of these three resistance. So it will be 16 plus 24 plus 24. So it will be, this will be 16, 24 and this will be 4. This will be 4 plus 4 and it will be 6. Okay, 64. So if I 4 and this will be 6, so it will be 6 ohm. So what will be the value of R1? R1 will be 6 ohm. Then if I want to calculate R2, this is node 2 and this is node 2. So this is node 2, so it will be product of these two resistors, divided by the summation of these three resistance. So it will be 16 multiplied by 24. So 16 multiplied by 24 and summation of these three resistance. So it will be the same value, 16, 24, it will be 64. So 4, 6, so it will be 6 ohm. Okay, now how to solve R3? This is R3. So this is node 3. So node 3 contain these two resistance, 24, 24. Okay, so 24 into 24 divided by the summation of these three resistance, because a R3 is a node resistance 3. So here is 24 multiplied by 24, summation of 16 plus 24 plus 24. So it will be 24 multiplied by 24, it will be 64. So it will be this so it will be 9 ohm. Okay, so if you solve this it will be 9 ohm. So in this problem, this will be 6 ohm, this will be 6 ohm, and this will be 9 ohm. So in this way you can solve this type of problem, that means delta to star formation. Now the second problem. Second problem contain, this is a star formation. Okay, this is a star formation, and this node is A, this is node B, this is node C, and this is a node A, node B, node C. So this is 3 ohm, this is 1.5 ohm, this is 9 ohm, and you have to calculate R1, R2 and R3. So how to calculate this? Here you have to calculate what will be the R1, what will be the R2 and what will be the R3. What will be the R1? R1 is the resistance across the node A and B. Okay, and R2 is the resistance. R2 is the resistance across this B and C node. So it is RBC node, and R3 is the resistance between RC and A node. So this is CA node. So how to calculate this? This is RAB node. So this is RAB. Okay, RAB. So in this formation, this is open resistance. So you have to divide it by this 9 resistance, 9 ohm resistance. This is AB. This is AB node, and AB node is this, the open junction 9 ohm. So divided by 9 ohms, and it will be product of this 3 resistance. That means it will be 3 multiplied by 1.5 plus 1.5 multiplied by 9 plus 9 into multiplied by 3. So this formation is, suppose this is delta will be RA RB plus RB RC plus RC RA. Okay, so suppose this is RA RB and RC. So this is the delta formation. So this will be the delta. Okay, so how to calculate R1? So R1, this node and this node. So delta divided by this resistance. Okay, so if you calculate this, it will be 4.5 and it will be 13.5 plus 27, here will be 9. Okay, so if you calculate this value, it will be 13.8 5 2 3 and 4. So 45 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9. So it will be 5 ohm. Okay. So similarly, if you want to calculate R2, so what will be the resistance R2? This is B and C, between the node B and C. So this is B and C, this is B and C, and this resistance are open. So it will be this delta divided by 3 ohm. this is BC, this is open, so this is 3 ohm. So value of delta is 45, so 45 by 3, so this will be 15 ohms. This is 15 ohms. Similarly, if you want to calculate R3, so R3 is the node CA. So here is CA. This is node CA. So this resistance are open. So here is 1.15 and this is delta. So this is really 45, 1.5, 10. So it will be 30 ohms. So in this way you can solve this type of problem. Okay, so if you understand these two problems, then you can easily calculate any transformation, that means delta to star or stars to delta transformation. You have to mind it that what is the node. If you calculate this, this is the node A and B and this is the node A and B. So if you want to calculate R1, so across this, though this is the open, so that's why the delta divided by 9 ohm. If you want to this RBC R2, so divided function will be 3 ohms. If you want to calculate RCA CA, so the divided function is 1.5 and then delta will be the remain same. Okay.